Alrighty, and we're back with the Heinz Habanero tomato ketchup. Lisa's going to be trying this. It is 20 calories per serving. There are 23 servings per container. Still the same? Yeah. And, yeah, the feature is the habanero.
Dried habanero peppers and spice and other stuff, just like the jalapeno one.
Yeah.
I just tried. And
Now
this one's 5 notches.
Extra hot,
6.
they call it.
Extra hot, and the last one was hot that I did jalapeno.
So, 5 level heat on their 6 level heat scale. Hate to see what their level 6 would be, I'll tell you. I'll link this below if I can find it online. And if you've ever tried this, let us know what you think of it. Are you a fan of habanero?
See. All right.
Go for it, Lisa.
Definitely the most tinkle out of all 3.
Okay, so it's definitely got the heat.
But really, if you're wanting an entry level into habanero spice, this thing's very easy going, let me tell you.
Okay, so it's
with
smooth.
the tomato, it's very, I mean, it definitely gives a little burn back of the throat.
Right, but it's smooth comparative to
I was
others.
expecting jalapenos to give this burn and this one be kind of, but they want it to be enjoyable.
Right, they don't want to kill
people. So this
people.
isn't enjoyable if you like spicy habanero ketchup and you want ketchup, you know, it's a good one.
Yeah.
I'll use all 3 of these actually.
Nice.
All the time, so.
All right. Well, if you are a
sauce.
fan of habanero, let us know. And like I said, if you've tried this product before, what did you think of it? Did you find it to be a smooth heat like Lisa did, or did you find it to be too hot? For me, it would be too hot. If she could feel it at the back of her throat, it would be way too hot for me. But I'm glad that she enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.